CorpBiz.
Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel CorpBiz. My name is Shruti Garg. Today we will give you an overview for how to get funding through Sustainable Finance Scheme. As government and industry accelerate the shift towards a net zero economy, it has become more critical than ever for business to embrace innovation and sustainability, open up new growth opportunities and stay relevant in the new low carbon economy. Investment is essential for development and increasing demands of a growing market. In view of these challenges, United Nations discovered the term sustainability in 1987 to meet the demand and need of people at present without compromising the future need. For better understanding, United Nations Environmental Programme differentiate the finances into sustainable finance, green finance and climate finance. Sustainable finance includes environmental, social, governance and economic aspects such as green loans, green bonds, renewable energy equity financing, carbon credits, public institutional equity investing and so much more. Green finance includes climate finance but excludes social and economic aspects such as green car loans, green home equity loans, green certificate of deposits, green cards, etc. Climate finance, which is a subset of environmental or green finance. Now let's have a look on the origin of Sustainable Finance Scheme. SIDBI has introduced a scheme called Sustainable Finance Scheme, an initiative toward Green India Mission. Sustainable finance such as green bonds that holds stocks in companies with good environmental, social and governance, that is ESG records, with a goal of protecting the environment. It also develops the entire value chains of energy efficiency or cleaner production and sustainable developmental projects that led to necessary improvements in sustainable development in the MSMEs that presently not covered under viable financing lines of credit. Now let's understand what are the objective and eligibility criteria of the Sustainable Finance Scheme. The main objective of the scheme are as follows. First, new or existing micro, small and medium enterprises that comes under MSMED Act 2006 will be eligible for funding under the scheme. With the help of Sustainable Finance Scheme, it provides funding for those projects which does not covered under international lines of credit and who wants to develop the project that help in energy efficiency and cleaner production, which includes eco-friendly labeling, green building, green microfinance, Bureau of Energy Efficiency, star rating and renewable energy projects such as biomass gasified power plants, mini hydel power projects, wind energy generators, solar power plants, etc. for non-captive or captive use. Apart from this, it provides funding for MSMEs that invest in waste management and sustainable developmental projects. Now let's understand the G20 Sustainable Finance Scheme agenda. Indian government aiming towards the G20 slogan of One Earth, One Family and One Future to connect with the country's strategic aim of attracting huge investment into India's technological and human development. This investment ensures clean water, air and energy, building real resilience to mounting climate shocks and accelerating the delivery of net zero objectives, that is SDG 13. Sustainable finance in India is shaping up to be an imperative profoundly focused on people. For better understanding, let's check the India's vision in Union Budget 2023 towards sustainable finance. Honorable Finance Minister Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman in Union Budget 2023 identified the market growth towards sustainable development, which include first, green growth as the 7th priority or Saptarishi, which is focusing towards reducing carbon intensity by 2070, green job opportunity, lifestyle for environment. Second, Green Credit Program, which is focusing towards encourage behavioral changes, mitigate climate change and ensure ecosystem sustainability, increasing energy and resource use efficiency. This was all the vital information that one might need as a reference for invest in green business with the help of Sustainable Finance Scheme. I am sure this video was informative. So if you are looking for the assistance when making investment decision in the financial sector, which leads to increased longer term investment into sustainable economic activities and projects through a sustainable finance scheme that helps in energy efficiency and cleaner production, you can connect with our expert at Cobbiz with the details below. Cobbiz can help you to set up a green or sustainable business of your choice. For more details, check out our video on how to set up a green business. Please like and share if you found this information useful. You can also subscribe to our channel and visit our website cobbiz.io. Thank you for watching.